Friends, welcome. Okay, so got these on. Got my keys in here, my wallet. Actually, the pockets are quite big, and we have these ones over here with Velcro on it on the sides. Pretty comfortable. I can move around. Not really have any issues. Let's see the back. I got my phone back here. This doesn't quite fit. I have full size like Samsung, so I can't quite shut the pocket there on that. But with the Velcro here on this, and I think it's just enough. So probably a smaller phone, you could fit it just nicely, but this works pretty good too. It's not going to fall out of there. I just keep it in my back pocket or there. I like that it has a lot of pockets. And I like that these front ones are decent size. I put my hands in there. Some pants you get and they have like really small pockets, like coming right here, and you can't really put your hand in there. I don't really like that. You got the nice drawstring here. You can make it as comfortable as you want, and good elasticity on the waistband. Feels actually really comfortable, kind of lightweight. Not like it's gonna be like hot or sweaty or anything like that. So these come in a bunch of different colors. Like I said before, 100% polyester, and I think they're quite comfortable. You know, I like the good length on them. They come like right to the top of my knee there, so I don't really like super short shorts. I just like regular shorts, and these are pretty comfortable. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.